Now, I change the position of text. To change the position of text, you have 8 options in the alignment group. Use these options to adjust content position. This is align right button. This is align center button. This is align left button. This button is used to move content away from the cell border. This button is used to move content close to the cell border. I want to move all the text in the selected cells in middle of cells. So before press Ctrl key, select these cells. In alignment group, select align center button. Now you can see all the text in these cells are moved to in the middle of cells. Now, what is the function of these 3 buttons? These 3 buttons used to adjust the height of text. Click cell A6. This is top align button. If you want to align text to the top of cells, click this button. This is middle line button. If you want to align text to the middle of cells, click this button. This is bottom align button. If you want to align text to the bottom of cell, click this button. I align text to the center of cell. So you can adjust position of text by using these buttons.